Now you go to the main screen of the app. I'll just briefly tell you what's going on here. In the main screen of this app, you can add all the new scenarios here. You can add your credit score, you can add your income, and you can add your liabilities. If you add your FICO score, you click here. If you add your income, you click here. If you add your liabilities, like liabilities are like car payments, student loan, auto loan, credit card payments, but your power bill, your gas bill, your insurance bill are not liabilities. Okay, and then you tell how much money do you have to play with it. So if you yourself are playing with this, you only need to check my FICO, your income, your liabilities, your funds and assets. And if you seek help of the licensed person, loan officer, they can input these numbers for you. And those numbers are verified FICO, verified income, verified liabilities, and verified assets. Likewise, if you yourself, by yourself, cannot qualify for the loan, you can always add co-borrowers. So you can have these co-borrowers, multiple co-borrowers, and you can play with them. The next step of the app, the purpose of this app is to start adding the data. So you can add data, like for example, I can add the credit score. So there you go, my credit score is 775. So good credit score. Okay, and if I have issue with the credit, I can always click and find advice from a credit repair expert. But I don't have any issue with that. So I go back. This is my credit score. Let's go to income. I want to add my income. So this calculator, income calculator, allows you to calculate your income. Even if you have 10 businesses, 3 jobs, whatever, social security income, your child support, everything is calculated here. So I'm self-employed. I say I have a employment and I have a fixed income employment, and I can manually add it. So manually add my employer is, I work with Micro Alpha Bets, and my gross income is, let's see, $144,000. And I started working there. 1st Jan, I started working with. This year, I'm currently working. But that doesn't make 2 years of history, so I need to add where I was working before that. So I click here, add, and I say last job. It was a fixed income salary, and that was my previous job, and the income I was getting was 120. And I started working there like in 2018, and I started working in 2018, 1st of May. And since I'm not currently working here, so I check it, I need to add the end date. So I stopped working, 31st of December. There you go. So now I have my employment history. Okay. Since this is my previous job, I cannot include its income. That job is finished, completed, and my income is $12,000. But I need to add my 2 years income history. I can always go back and do calculation. Okay. Advanced calculation. But right now, I'm not doing advanced calculation. I just add it manual. And you can explore it by yourself. So here, you also have option that the income can be added by me as a user, or it could be verified income. Verified income is, if you need a pre-approval letter, your credit score need to be verified, your income need to be verified, your assets need to be verified, your liabilities need to be verified. So the verification team, you can reach out to them, and they are going to help you. You can always click on here, name here, click on their name on this eye, and you can see their information.